In today's video, I'm showing you how I am choosing my FabFitFun fall picks using my latest Hubman and Chubgirl bullet journal. If you watched my unboxing for this journal, you knew that I was going to tell you how I was going to use it, and that's what this video is. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a lifetime seasonal subscription box. It comes 4 times a year. It's $219 US to purchase for the whole year, and you get 4 boxes for that price, or you can buy them each individually at $69 for a seasonal membership. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. The picking of FabFitFun customizations is always the most exciting time because it's so much fun to look and see what we will discover in this new box. I have had some amazing discoveries from FabFitFun over the years, and because of that, I'm always so careful to make sure to pick the best product. So if we start off in customization 1, we will go through the list of items that you have, and you can see from my bullet journal here, I have them all organized by customization choice. I do get 2 boxes, and because I get 2 boxes, there are 2 checks under each picture. So I've written down the main details, and what I like is that I have highlighted the price for the value of each of the items so that at a quick glance I can easily see, for example, if you were trying to compare the LMS to the 2 different choices of the cleansing balm, you easily make the decision based off of the price and the ounces. So if you look at the pumpkin one, it's $45 value with only 3 ounces, as opposed to the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm at $69 with 3.5 ounces. So it really does help make your choices if you are trying to compare like which one to get. So in this category, I'm torn. One of the things that I picked, because my living room is this kind of burnt orange, sort of almost like a terracotta color on the wall because it matches the fireplace, I originally chose this blanket back here that is now in my craft room. It has been a wonderful surprise. I actually have tried numerous blankets there, and I always go back to that one. I never would have picked that color for this room, and so because of that, I'm tempted to get this blanket that is in the box, the Sunday Citizen, $65 value. But I know that the buttercream would be a much more neutral color that I could put anywhere as well. So if I get the blanket, which I really don't need another blanket, and that's kind of a bit of the problem, I don't need a lot of things, and so I try to pick the things that I actually really will use. Like, so many useful products have come in this box, so I really try to find things that are useful. Having said that, I'm looking at the kitchen items because of that, and I really love the whisk, the spoonula, and the spoon, but I'm not sure that I need the container. I do think actually the container would look really nice as like a pen holder or something in my craft room. So that's one of the things that's on my list. The glass bowls, I could see using them in my craft room as well. They'd be a beautiful, interesting element to add in some of my photos when I'm taking pictures of my work, and I could store my fun little beads in them. I think they are very unique. They're not something that I could just walk into a store and purchase. So that's one of the things that are very unique. They come from an interesting designer that has a very interesting artistic flair. I won't choose any of the LMS, and only because I've had, I think, a reaction to 2 different LMS products. I can't be sure, but after having that experience, I just won't risk it again in case there's some ingredient in there that I'm sensitive to. So moving on to customization 2, this becomes a little easier. One thing I definitely know I want is this backpack, the Puma sling bag. It is something that I actually have wished that I had already. When I saw the pouch that you could fit a water bottle in it, that's exactly my style. I have a clip with my keys and my tiny little wallet that came from FabFitFun. And I would clip that to the backpack. I would put my water bottle in the main pouch and my cell phone in one of the other pouches, my lip gloss in that little shoulder strap. And that's everything that I need to go. Like yesterday we went to the Buskers Festival. I would have loved to have had that on a hot day. It's not something that you have where you feel encumbered with. Your hands are free and you can easily zip in and out, and it's close to your chest, and you're in a big crowd and you're worried about, you know, pickpockets or something if you were traveling or in a place that was a concern. So that sling bag, yes. I'm always tempted by the sunglasses, especially with the name brand Kate Spade. I don't know that aviators really suit my face. I absolutely love the glasses that came in the summer box. They are like a square style and they fit me perfectly. Like, they are a good match. I'm also eyeing up in this category maybe one of the skincare items. I really want those slippers. They look so fuzzy and cute and fall and kind of like a luxury item, but they're platform and I literally feel like I would sprain my ankle wearing those. I saw them in an unboxing and I was like, oh, they look so nice. They look even better than I imagined. I'm gonna have to resist buying those because I don't know. I don't mind the open toe. I could see them as like a shoe that you would just slip on to run into the garage or go out in the backyard. The platform part of them though, it's just, I think, too dangerous. The customization number 3. So this one, my choice will be the mascara. I'm pretty sure. I actually have a backlog of mascaras from FabFitFun. I have really been enjoying them. I'm wearing the Thrive mascara right now. I love getting high quality makeup items in the box. I wish they had more. I really love the Dibs. I've got the Dibs on as well. I actually will probably repurchase that. It's been a favorite from the previous box. In the second part of this, I'm eyeing up the earrings or the Spiced Woods candle. I don't use candles. I love vanilla. I'm a little worried about the combination of wood and vanilla. I like the color green. It would make the box feel fall, and it is kind of like a specialty luxury item. I'm gonna wait and see other people's unboxings and reviews, hopefully, before making my final choice. They did add a Fenty Skin mask, cherry mask, in this category. It's not something that I plan on choosing in the box, so I'm just gonna leave it out. Switching now to customization 4. You can see here all of the different choices. I have been doing some research, and because I'm on my gray hair journey, although I think maybe I'm done my gray hair journey considering the fact that my hair is almost completely grown out, when I saw the product Arey, it immediately jumped out at me. I went and watched a video from the founders of this product, and I will link them down below. They actually touched upon some of the things that really hit home with me in my gray hair journey. One of the reasons why I stopped coloring my hair is because I was concerned about the toxic chemicals. There's been links in their video. They were even saying the thing that I thought, that there are links between breast cancer and hair dye chemicals. Because of that, I stopped dyeing my hair. I use a leave-in conditioner. That's something that I think I'd like to try. I'm debating maxing it out on my choices, and I'm debating putting it in both boxes as well. So before that, I was thinking about getting this other hair cream that's a heat protectant. I was actually really excited to see that in the box. So customization 4, I'm glad that it's one of the lowest costs to add things on, because I'm thinking that I might pick up a couple of things in this box. Those packing cubes are super handy. When I was away, I used packing cubes. My entire suitcase was filled with them. I actually won't travel any other way. It's amazing because you can actually share luggage with your family. Everybody can have their own packing cubes all in one. Now with the restrictions on actual checked bags, you're having to pay for them, it's nice to be able to minimize the amount of suitcases you take. So having packing cubes allows you to organize within your luggage. The other thing, the Color Wow was another product that caught my eye, because when I was on vacation, my niece was raving about this brand. It wasn't this specific product. I don't know if I need any more shampoos, and because I like so many other things in this category, I think I'm actually just gonna go with the hair products here. So in customization number 5, this is probably my least favorite category. I have found that the choices here just don't jump out at me. I actually might choose a mystery item. I did choose one mystery item, I think in customization 5 last time, and it was the Truff Love Argan hair mask, which I was ecstatic to receive. So I think I'll probably go with a mystery in this box, and then I'll most likely choose the laundry soap just because it's a practical item, maybe the nail polish, the press-on nails, I don't know. So moving on to customization 6, the little Tony Moly Pumpkin Retinol Eye Cream really makes me quite intrigued because of the packaging. I love that little pumpkin, but I do not use eye cream. So that's crossed off my list. I actually am very confident in my choices for this. I love tea towels, so immediately I was piqued my interest, but because I also have really been thoroughly enjoying my Summer Fridays lip balm gloss that they had in the spring box. I have a few of them and they are my go-to. I really love the applicator. I just love the feeling of the application of that. And I also love the scent of the hot chocolate for this one. So I am definitely going to get this, probably in both of my boxes, maybe even max out my choices. You can pick more than one of each item. In the customizations, they often allow you to pick up to 3. So that's definitely one thing I'm thinking about. And of course, there's a journal. I have to get it. I don't love the design of this Eat Well, how it's kind of cut off at the top of the page. That design kind of bugs me, but I love paper. The value on this is $38. I actually was gifted many years ago a recipe journal like this where you can write your own recipes in, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite recipe books. It's one of the ones I go to most often, so that I am definitely going to pick up as well. And that is it. So those are my customization choices. So the Hubman Chubgirl is a collaboration that I did with them, and I was really excited to work with their products. I have loved the feel of this book. I love the quality of their stickers. The tweezers that they gave me, I recently got a manicure and I did these the gel nails. I didn't realize how difficult it would be to pick up stickers because these nails are a little bit thicker than my natural nail. It actually makes those little tweezers such a useful product. I'm so glad that I have those. And the stickers are just cute and adorable. I have been super happy to have this as a record, because quite often I will have loved a product and then I might see it pop up again This way I can go back and I can say, which box did that come from? Oh, it came from the fall box. What was the price then? Which customization was it in? Because I find myself often asking those kinds of questions. So to have a journal specifically devoted to FabFitFun to look back on is super handy. So I will leave a link down below if you're interested in any of the Hubman and Chubgirl products. And now that you've seen how I use them, I'll also link down below the FabFitFun Box if that's of interest to you. Those have discount codes, both 15% off with Hubman and Chubgirl and then 20% off with FabFitFun. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.